Hello guys, today we're gonna make a what? No, I'm gonna teach you guys how to code. Like for an example, like here. If you want to make a simple paragraph and you want it like that, you have to add this thingy, this thingy, and whatever you want to write here in the middle, and then this thingy / p, this thing. And if you want to add a bigger one like this, same thing, H1, same thing, YouTube, whatever you want to call it, this one, the thingy again, the / H1, this one, and if you want to add a link like here, you have to do this. You don't have to do this because it'll make it like that and you don't want that. So href equals your link, like here. I always do it with HTTPS, like here, youtube.com, and then end it there with your name of the button like this, and end it with the /8a, and then you have your link. Okay, so that's all for the 3 things. And for the next episode, we're probably gonna do some password thingies, wondered, and yeah, in CSS probably, how to change the format of those words. So yeah, and if you're just thinking, I want a medium size, just do this. H3. Like that, medium size H3 or H2 or like that. Yep, if you want it like that. And also guys, we're not done with the video yet. We're gonna try to embed YouTube videos in code if you're trying to wonder how do you do it. First, you go to youtube.com. You go to random video. Like here. And then you click share. And press embed. Paste it. Copy. And then search here. And then paste it. Copy and paste. Like here. Look at this. Just go to YouTube, get the embed, copy, and then paste it in the code section. So yeah, embedded that video. Bye guys, that's today's video for coding HTML.